Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm here today to show you how I make my Calla lilies fairy wands. Yesterday I did a tutorial on how to do these fairy wands, and I was asked if I can do one with the Calla lily because I didn't do one. So today I'm here to share with you how I make these beautiful Calla lily fairy wands. The items that you would need is 24 gauge head pin wire, and it's about 3 inches long, and your choice of beads, your choice of spacer beads, whatever you like to put in them. I use these 30 millimeter bugle beads, and then a variety of beads. So start off with the Calla lily. I make sure that my head pin is straight, and then I add a bead cap on, and then I like to work with these Shambhala beads. I have quite a few of them, so I might as well use them up. And then I'll add, because there's a lot of space in between here, my bead won't go through because it's kind of small in there. I usually add some seed beads in there, and these beads actually are milk glass beads. A few years back I went to an estate sale, and they had this gorgeous necklace which was broken and was missing a few beads, so I couldn't put it back together again. But I decided to take it apart and use them, so that's what I'm using. And this is another of their milk glass beads. There's a few of them that I'll be using here today. And after you do that, when you add your Calla lily, I usually put a a spacer bead, and then I'll put another bead on there, and this is another one of those milk glass ones, and a spacer bead. You can do them in any way you want. And then I'll add my 30 millimeter bugle bead, and I push it all the way, and I don't even use glue because it holds it up nicely. Look how nice it holds it up. And then I usually use another spacer bead simply to hide that part. Then another glass bead. Oh, if I could find the hole, there it is. A spacer bead usually. Another one of those milk glass. And then another milk glass. And basically that's it. Then I push everything to the top, and then I'll make myself, hope I'm in frame. And there you go. And there's your Calla lily. They're easy to make. They're beautiful. And what I'm making them for is because my granddaughter's having a birthday party in May. And she'll probably use these in her, to give them as gifts maybe to her friends. And not only that, her tooth fell out, and this is another way of pretending that her tooth fairy forgot her wand. That's a nice thing. I'll make another one. I just got to make sure that the eye pin is straight. I like using the 3 inch eye pin because you have more room to put stuff in. So here we go again. We start off with, didn't bring my glasses down here, with a bead cap. Then we have one of my Shambhala. I love this color blue. And then we have a few of these sea beads. And I like it too because it's kind of see-through, so you can see that it's not empty in there, or else you see the actual pin in there, and this way you get to see the little beads in there, which is a better. Then we'll add spacer bead. Another spacer bead. Then I'll add, and then that necklace actually had this bead in them. It looks like a tulip. Look how nice that is. So I'll add this one in there. Then I'll add a spacer bead. Put one of those and a little tiny, push everything to the top over there. And there we go. Make a loop so we can put a pin in there. And there's another Calla lily. And look how nice that one is. It's really pretty. So we have two of them. And then I decided to make one more. And this one is not with the Calla lily. So I'm going to put a bead cap, put a crystal. This is another vintage bead too, that's from a broken necklace. And we're going to put that in there. And there, this is another milk glass bead. See, they're not going anywhere. This really holds them up nicely. And then I'm going to put that tulip looking bead. I'll add a spacer. Add a green bead. I'll put a spacer here, and then another one of those beautiful milk glass beads. And there we go. We did another one. Oops. And I took it apart. Got stuck to my tablecloth here. Okay, so put that all together, back together again. You know what? And I'm going to put there. Maybe not. Maybe I'll change it this way. And I'll use a smaller one. And then I'll add that one. I think that looks nice like that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to add another one down at the bottom here. Don't know if I'm going to put a spacer bead in there. Yeah, I think that looks better. Looks a lot better that way. Then we'll do this one. You know what? I'm going to change it all the way around. I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to put that one in there. That one. Oh my goodness. And that one. I don't know. No, I'd rather have that one at the top. Decisions. Decisions. And there we go. I'm going to leave it that way. I like it that way better. And there's another one. See? They're so easy to make. So, see how fast it is? I made 3 of them. And look how cute they are. All of them. That way. Oops. So, they're by Calla. So, have a wonderful time, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao for now.